Heliculture is the science and occupation of raising snails for food, and the practice is quickly becoming popular for occupational training of African women. AfricanPrice.com state that in 1994, due to a high demand for snails, Ghana exported about 620 kilograms and 1,050 kilograms of snails to the Netherlands and the United States. However, this year, the market has been in decline because there has not been much rain this season. Paulina has been in the snail business for the last 2 years and complains that due to the dry nature of Ghana's weather recently, she has had to close that side of her business down. Grace Animwaa has been dealing in the fresh snail business for the past 40 years, selling that alongside plantain and cassava. When the news team met her, she was in high spirits, though the business has taken somewhat of a downturn. She explains that snails have different benefits and uses, including healing qualities.
And one who are you, my baby? Where no be shishia, who do to Joma, bet me a tree now, Dioso. Oh, ya crow, a binomonum, a viso de gunquam. Say, so, why young Wakwara Sona, who do gunquama, Fevano, about to say why you soon.
Esther Edu sells predominantly dried snails and has done so for 20 years. From it, she has been able to carve out a good life for herself and her family.
And I'm a social manage. I feel about Bachelor, SS no, or Bachelor, Bacoso, SS2, Bacoso, JHS, or Bachelor, and one am the showm, Medicia Medaka Minimicum, and one am the Tenkraha.
Snails are relatively easy to raise. They feed on vegetables and fruits. So it's only a short time before farmers begin to see returns on their investment. They are also hermaphrodites, meaning both male and female snails reproduce, making the business even more lucrative. Nanama Anabempong reporting for GH1 News.